Tech neck is real and it's causing headaches, neck stiffness, and posture problems for millions. Today I'll show you 5 quick movements that reverse forward head posture, release tension, and prevent headaches, all in under 10 minutes a day. Tech neck, I know you've heard about it. Here's how to dissolve it in less than 2 minutes. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna sit up nice and tall, shoulders back, retract the chin. Head comes back, chin comes back at the same time. You're going to perform 2 ranges of motion. First one, rotation. Turn your head to the right while your chin is retracted and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Bring it back to the middle and go to the left. You're going to repeat that 10 times both sides. Next, you're going to retract the chin and we're going to do lateral flexion or side bending. Bring your ear to your shoulder as far as you can. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and then retract the chin again and go to the left side, holding it there for 1 to 2 seconds. Perform it 10 times on both sides. So 10 rotations to each side, 10 side bending movements or lateral flexion movements to both sides. Once you're done that, you'll feel a lot of the muscles right below the skull will be nice and loose. Give it a try. One stretch that actually works for your headaches, those nagging headaches in the back of the skull. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your hand, you're going to place it underneath your sits bone. This will stabilize the arm. Next, you're going to take the other hand and you're going to gently distract the head to the opposite side. Hold it there for 25 seconds. Next, you're going to take the same hand, you're going to place it in the back of the head and you're going to bring your head diagonally forward towards the opposite knee. Hold that there for 25 seconds. Do it 3 times on both sides. This will be stretching your levator scapula and your upper trapezius muscles, often involved in tension headaches. Stop straining your neck and start doing this. This is going to be a great stretch for your pec minor, one of the muscles that gets extremely short when you're sitting all day long. You're going to need a softball. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place this softball right in that groove between your shoulder, your sternum, and your clavicle, your collarbone. So go right below the clavicle, the collarbone, inside the shoulder, and you're going to go right up against the wall. Next, you're going to raise your arm next to you, and right away you'll feel that stretch in that pec minor. Do this for 45 seconds, and you're going to see that this is going to feel great afterwards. You can also do this on the floor. You want to get rid of that tension behind the skull? Here's the best way to do it. You're going to take a foam roll and you're going to place it right in that suboccipital area, right here, right below the skull. Next, you're going to apply a downward pressure on that foam roll while you rotate your head to each side. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds, then go to the other side. What this will do, it'll stretch these stubborn muscles that are chronically short because we sit, we text, and we do stuff that creates a forward head posture and generates these headaches. This will be a great way to stretch these muscles and make you feel good at the end of your day. Quick mobility hack for your neck to get good range of motion in your neck. So this is called a cervical snag mobilization. We use a belt. Watch this. Take this end of the belt with this hand, hold on to this end of the belt with the other hand. Take the belt over your ear, and what you're going to do is you're going to rotate your neck to the opposite side. Do this about 6 times on both sides. What you want to do is you want to rotate your head on your own, and at the very end apply a little bit of pressure to rotate your neck further. Do the other side and watch your range of motion increase over time as we bring it through the end range. Amazing thing you can do with just a belt.